Good morning, everybody. Chris, the Flex, coming at you from LaBelle, L-A-B-E-L-L-E, Ford, where I'm getting my oil change and tire rotation. Just figured I'd show you the waiting room, and, oh yes, the candy machine. Coffee, fire extinguisher, hope we don't need that. If you have dirty valves, you have to come here. And a few vending machines. Alright, quick tour of the waiting room while I'm getting my oil change and tire rotation. I think I'm gonna hit the candy machine. Yes. Alright, that's it. Till the next one. Much love. I'm out.